I'm a man of action, but there's not much action in this area anyway. Until now, I worked on some smaller, insignificant cases. Robberies, rustling, some fights between drunk men. Nothing more. Here, it is different. Kids disappeared, and it's up to me to find them and give them back to their families. It's an important case, not only because it's about the lives of some kids, but also because solving it will give me more credit in front of my superiors, and eventually give me that promotion they've been talking about for a while. But it's hard. There are few traces. People don't trust me and don't speak to me openly. I know that countryside villages are like this, but I'm working for them to get their children back. It's such an ignominious thing to steal children, and without apparent reason. I look at them playing in the streets, happy, cheerful, unbothered. They remind me of my time as a kid, as I did the exact same things. They deserve to live a happy childhood and not being the subject of adults' fights and contents. Because yes, I don't believe in the tale of the pagan god recruiting their sacrifices. There's a human hand behind this, and I'll find it.